What's up, guys, girls, people, aliens, beings? We're here.
Dogs.
Dogs. We can't. Dogs are first. I don't care. We don't deserve dogs. Dogs are first. We don't deserve dogs.
Everybody's a fucking dog.
Yeah. But we're here with my boy, PZ Motorsports, aka Mr. VRT FRS. I'm gonna tag that. You gotta check out his build. If you couldn't tell, it's a VRT FRS, you know, by the name. Pretty simple.
It's getting there.
It's getting there, but we got some big progress coming on that soon, so stay tuned. But today, he's helping me. What are we doing, my boy?
Yo, we're changing the subframes out.
Okay, so here, let's look. Bam! Right here we got an S15.
JDM goodness.
JDM.
Did you get my boots in there?
JDM. New boot good.
OSHA approved.
OSHA approved.
Bam!
Woo! A little fade action going on. Okay. But so we got an S15, obviously right-hand drive. The S chassis subframes, the mounting for the power steering is slightly different. You can even tell we got a little. But so all S chassis stuff will bolt up like subframe wise, but we wanted to not modify the power steering orientation. So we went with the S15 subframe. Got a real good deal. I think it was like $150. So for ease of swap, everything else like that, this was a no-brainer. But we got the subframe, and then if we take a look here, our mounting location, we're right about, you know, right on the edge. And then if we look at over here, how offset that is. So this should set our motor back to where we want it, get it right in the shifter hole location for the trans, and it should be a bolt and swap. Don't know what the drive shaft's gonna look like yet, but it should be relatively easy. So the boys here to help me swap everything.
Step one.
Well.
Lift the car.
Hold on, you don't know where to. Probably rack.
Side swipe the.
Yeah, my side skirt would be like one of those Jack Fall videos. But so yeah, so we're gonna get this thing on the lift. Take a look, but just gotta swap this thing out, and then Mr. Ricky Hoffman should have the mounts for me tomorrow. I know. But he should have the mounts for me tomorrow, and then this thing can pretty much go in, and then I'm gonna be fabbing some of this stuff up soon too. So we're getting there. We're doing good.
We're getting there.
Hell yeah.
Go. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Ready to rock?
Yes.
Alright guys, kind of tired. Chair entry. So, good news. Ricky Hoffman finally, I finally went to Ricky Hoffman to get my motor mounts. He did not do anything. He took my bolts. So I even had to go buy new hardware because his FD car is more important than my car. Which, I'm not going to argue that because I understand. But anyway, so we finally got the motor mounts here. We got some new hardware for everything. So we should be all good to toss this thing in. We got Brandon. We'll tag his Instagram below. And we got typical PZ.
I bought my car today.
Rocking. This is you know, this is a really sweet shirt.
Yup.
It really
right
is. There's no hate there. That's fucking.
I support myself.
Exactly. Exactly. But Brandon, damn boy. This thing. Yo, imagine I just shinned myself on that for the viewers. This thing is fresh. Fresh. Is it unlocked? Oh no. Hold on.
Not that side.
We're gonna wrong side. But yeah, this thing is peep the interior. Kills it. Classy. Classy as hell. I'm not the biggest M2 fan. I kind of am. Well, this car makes me a bigger M2 fan. It's fresh. PZ, what's your thoughts?
It's nice.
It's nice. I agree. General consensus, it's nice.
I like the wheels.
But it's dope. Sick. Never know what's gonna stop by. Okay. Oh, we got. Now it's time for this bad boy. Got everything together. I'm gonna leave the shifter off. I'm pretty sure I could get the bolts in the car, right?
I think so.
I think so. And then we could fill it from there. So that's kind of cool.
That's how I did it.
So, yeah, but we don't know how this is gonna go. This is all twisted. This is good, real good. It's gonna go well. It's gonna go well. PZ,
Fantastic.
let's lift her up.
Oh, she's solid.
Not gonna lie, that's pretty fucking good. All right, hold that. Where are you fucking going? We only gotta go right here.
I don't know. It's got in a moment.
Okay, look at this. An SR R33.
You gotta say red top. That's how they say it on Facebook Marketplace.
This is the SR33. Get it? Get it? You know what I'm saying? Project SR33. You know?
All-wheel drive.
No.
Come on.
Look at this. Bro, this thing sits sick. So much room for activities. This is for when you plow into Ricky Hoffman's door and you got all this fucking crash zone right here.
Yeah, because he doesn't leave you bolts. That's why we're gonna crash this thing purposely into them.
Bro, this thing, you know, with a little tweaking of these power steering lines, that's the only thing.
You have to give them a razzle dazzle. It's the
Well, if you ran 240 power steering lines, it probably,
I don't know what 240 steering lines are.
these ones notch out for this subframe.
Oh!
So that's why they stick out. So if you put like 241 on it, but I mean, these work. It's just, you gotta bend them low. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's take a look at this trans mount scenario. Let's get this all bolted up. We'll lift it and take a look at the trans mount. So what's your opinion?
Shit, I almost lost a finger.
Okay.
Car
number
leaked
one.
on me.
Leaked? All right, that's not too bad. PZ, what's your...
What the hell did it leak?
there's nothing in it.
Hopes and dreams. It's his own blood. That's what it is.
JDM spiders.
Teenage spiders.
Because, you know, they're from Japan. all the spiders on the car that have been here in the U.S. for probably 7 years are all from Japan.
Yeah, where even Corona happened.
Japan? Japan?
Yes.
But yeah, so trans mount does not bolt up. However, it bolts up enough to hold it temporarily, so we could at least get the car off the lift. And I'm gonna have to make a new trans mount. But all in all, it's dead close in the shifter hole. Everything else. Yo, hold on.
What?
We forgot the most important part.
What's the most important part? The drive shaft.
let's see if that lines up. I'm gonna be so hyped. If this is the correct length drive shaft, there is no one who should not be doing this swap. I'm gonna go buy every S15 subframe. Oh, that we are so fucked.
You know when you tell her it's big, but it's not. And she notices. This is what it is. It's just a couple inches off. I think you can make it.
All right, so we're just like what your girl told me. You're about a foot short. You're about 1 foot short.
I don't have a penis, so that's joke on you.
All right, so at least we have the drive shaft where we can cut it and use the ends. But for all you people known or wanting to know how to do this, yeah, so this is what's involved.
We should move the rear forward.
Oh, God. But we're doing good. Sweet.